Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. Today I'm going to go over my functional code. So I have my list of scripts here, and what I'm going to do is open them all so that they can easily communicate with each other. I'm going to get in the file system, and then I'm going to control A to pick them all up, and then I'm going to right click on it and tell it to open all of these files. Alright, so here's my functional code. This file has the same declarations as in the data management file because they're going to be communicating with each other, and you have to have all your variables declared. Then I have additional functional variables such as the differentials that I'll use to stack the coins. In the start function I have the instantiation of each of the primary variables. My first functional code is load player profiles. As you can see, this is a publicly accessible file. It returns a player profile, and the name of the function is load player profile, and it takes no variables as input. So what it does is it initiates an instance of the player list, then it loads the data that I've saved under the file name profiles, and then it reads the profile as indicated by the data manager, whichever profile was selected, and returns that profile. As you see, as indicated by the script over here on the side, this file is quite long. It goes much further down than this. So I'll quickly go over each of these functions and try to keep the video to a reasonable length. Update profile, I'm in the process of verifying. This probably should be more accurately called save profile. Because the function I have called save profile actually saves a new player's profile, which means it reads the file and adds to it. I don't want it to add to it in this case, I just wanted to update what's already on the list. The next function is called evaluate purse. It returns an integer, and it assesses the value of the prizes held within the contents of the purse. The next function is my reset function. It's very similar to the load profile function, except it deletes the file and then reinitializes the filing system. This next function is called save profile, and again it really should be called save new profile because it reads the file if it exists and adds to it. It also has the capability of initiating the file, which is not really necessary, but it was a safety net. The next function is fill purse, and this also assigns the location where the coin will be spawned if the coin is spawned. The spawn location is really more applicable to the bank purse and not the player purse. Then we spawn the purse. The player's purse will not be spawned, but the bank's purse needs to be spawned to be able to play the game.